Basketball terms, take one.
Crispy. You know, with this one, I'm thinking like how I look walking into and out of the game. Gotta make sure I look good. You know, the NBA players, when they do their little pregame and stuff, I like some of their outfits. You know, LeBron usually has a really nice outfit on.
When you're crispy after the game, what do?
You know, after the game, I'm going straight to Lee's getting me that crispy chicken sandwich they have over there. Just look at this. Look at it, you could tell, like, you could just taste the crunch right now. That's the crispy I'm talking about. Why is it so crispy? Henny Penny's Fryers. It's perfect. Teamwork, it's important. Everybody on the team works together to win the game, you know, but off the court. You got the Lee's worker right here, right? And you can go to the Henny Penny Fryer. You know what that's gonna make? A perfect combo meal. Chicken sandwich, fries, and nice ice cold drink. Right to me, deuce. I'm gonna eat it all. That's teamwork right there.